Okay, I thought I'd just do a quick video on how I'm using my Keylab 88. I really like this keyboard. It's got a little area here for your laptop to sit on with a little shelf there. I don't know how many times I've had to use stands or leave it on the floor and it's been damaged. 88 weighted keys, that's what you need. Really solid construction, metal, nice wood, no plastic. A nice little screen here. I really like, good old-fashioned LCD screens rather than these touch screens that all the keyboards seem to be using. The problem with it though is, to really use it you need this analog lab. This is running over here, and it can set up preset names. I think it has 2 splits, so you can just do left and right hand, different patches. If I go over to here and I use these controls here, I can turn the category one, and it's changing categories here. If I look over on Analog Lab, it's also changing those categories. So I've got a way of controlling it and seeing on the screen what I actually want. This is really good. What's also awesome is the actual value doesn't get set until you push down the button. So this is good for VSTs because sometimes they take a long time to load all their data and everything, and if you're trying to get to the end of a set list and just going through hundreds of songs, then you don't want to be setting each one. You just want to pick the one you want and go okay. So let's quit this and I will load up what I would normally use my setup, which is a lot more than one split. There'll be triggers, bottom of the keyboard, and I could have layers. It could be like 8 different things going on. So right now, this has a set list manager. So I've got all my songs here. I can have different set lists as well. And if I wanted to change a song, and I was using this controller, I would use probably edit mode and program change. Pick the song I want as a number and then push down, and if I push this down now you can see it's changed song at the top there. Not very useful. I don't know what song I'm picking. I have to look at the laptop screen. Yeah, so I'm going to load up my little program. There we go, that's running now. The patch name's already on the screen, and I can scroll through all my songs same way as Analog Lab, and when I'm ready to select it I push it down. Go over to Forte here, you can see it's picked the correct song, and yeah, it's great. The other way I can do it is, and you can set this up on your keyboard, is you can assign 2 buttons to control channels 113 and 116. I've used these transport buttons. I don't tend to use an MMC thing. I can just go left, right. Song will change on here, and Forte will pick that up too. There we go. So I can quickly go through songs one by one, or I can change it without having to select them. All the power I need. Thanks.